Hey tea lovers, ready to journey through the world of the finest loose leaf teas? Let's dive into my top 10 picks that will delight your senses and elevate your tea game. First up, we have the classic Earl Grey. This black tea infused with bergamot oil offers a citrusy twist that's perfect for any time of day. Next on the list, Dragon Well Green Tea from China. Known for its smooth chestnut-like flavor, it's a must-try for green tea enthusiasts. Third, we have the fragrant Jasmine Pearl. Hand-rolled and scented with jasmine blossoms, it's a delicate and aromatic experience. Fourth, the bold and robust Assam Black Tea. This Indian tea is rich, malty, and perfect for a strong morning brew. Moving on, we have sent you from Japan. Now this tea is steamed green tea boasts a grassy, fresh flavor that's incredibly refreshing. Sixth, the exotic masala chai. Now this spiced tea blend from India is a cozy mix of black tea and warming spices like cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves. Seventh, the floral and fruity hibiscus tea. Tisane lovers, this caffeine-free option is vibrant and tart, perfect for iced tea. Eighth, oolong tea. Semi-oxidized and offering a balance between green and black tea flavors. It's complex and satisfying. Ninth, rooibos tea from South Africa. This red tea is naturally sweet and nutty with a smooth finish. And lastly, the unique Pu'er tea. Aged and fermented, it has a rich, earthy flavor that's unlike any other tea. There you have it, 10 incredible loose leaf teas to explore. So, which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Happy sipping.